Hey guys, what's up? It's Summer back with another video. Sorry. So today what I'm going to be doing is a slime collection video. So I have 13 slimes. Okay. Let me tell you why. Okay, I didn't buy like 1,000 bottles of glue. I got a gallon bottle of glue. Okay. So, okay. Let's get started. I'm gonna go to my favorite to my least favorite. This one is my absolute favorite. It's like this pinkish reddish color, and it is so pretty and soft. And let me just listen to this. Oh no, I got it on my pants. Okay, just listen. Like, isn't that amazing, dude? Okay. And these slimes aren't sticky, so in case you were wondering. And this is the same one. It's just in another container because I had to split them. This one's just bigger because these containers are like one and a half. 1.5 cups. So it's about this size. Okay. Next slime is this one. It's really cool. I haven't played with it in a while. And it's just like two mixed slimes. It's white and purple. And it's so pretty. Except, guys, the texture of my slimes are disgusting. Just to you know. I'm gonna get a little out because this one's like nasty. But it's like, I'm gonna have to add like some lotion into this. But yeah, it's really nasty. But yeah, I guess it was just the two slimes being mixed together. Because I mean, it was two different slimes that had like two different textures and stuff. And yeah. Next up is this teal one. And I guess this one's my next favorite because it's just, I don't know, it's just amazing. And anyway, sorry. So I finally got it out. But so yeah, it won't work on the bed. But it's just like this one's, I think, one of my biggest slimes. Like, so next up is this one. It's like an ugly tan color. What? So, anyways, my dad's being really dumb right now. But it's like an ugly color, and these slimes don't stretch very well. I don't know what it is. It might be the glue, it might be how I make up, it might be what I add and stuff. But it has a nice shimmer to it. But, yum. Next up is this one. It's like this, and it's actually probably one of my stretchiest slimes. But it's still like not stretchy. But like I have horrible slimes, and it has blue and pink glitter in it. or blue and red. It's like Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn slime. We'll call it that. Okay. I have like a few more slimes somewhere around this house, but next up is these two. But these two are for my cousin that I made. But I'm still gonna show you them because yeah, just one. And this one actually looks so similar to this one, but it's a little different. This one's a little darker, but I just my ones don't get stretchy. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. Really. Okay, this one's the purple one. This one's probably the best one out of these two. Not only the color is really pretty, but also it's um like really stretchy. And these two I made today for my cousin. So yeah. Okay, next one is another small or small, like pretty small, whatever. It's white and it's in like these like slime are like nasty. I don't know, but my sister made this one. It's nasty, like noodles. Next up is the ugliest color my sister has ever made. But look at that. See that shimmer on the bottom? That's because it has two different, like a bunch. It has like this burgundy shimmery color, like something like that. Well, I don't think I. Oh yeah. So it's like this, and it has like shimmer in it, and it's just like a. And it's like a tinted color, and it is the most prettiest slime. Like the color is ugly, but it has a nice shimmer to it. But yeah, it's. I just don't like my slimes. I'm sorry if you hear my dad talking because he very. Next up is I have three of these really tiny ones in like pill bottles. No, they're not drug bottles. I don't do drugs, but yeah. But they're just like old pill bottles for my grandma because she has to take thousands of pills. This one has like a yellow tint to it. My sister calls it yoga slime because she mixed two slimes. It was a white. No, that was in this one. So she calls this one yoga slime because she had it white and then mixed like a little bit of random yellow in it, and it looked like an egg, and she called it yoga slime. But it's all mixed in now, and you can kind of see a little bit. You probably can't. Oh, you can kind of see it. Yeah, you guys can see it, but yeah, this one's pretty stretchy. It's just when you go like this, it just rips apart. So, I hate rippy slimes. The worst part is when you put it back in the container, it's so hard and it makes noises. So, and I'm not being dramatic about it. This is hard to push in. Okay, I'm just gonna call that good. Next one is what color is this one? It's like a tan color, or like a peachy color. That looks wrong. Anyways, and this one's another pretty stretchy one, but yeah. I'm pretty sure all these my sister made. I think I might have made this one. She made these two. I'm not sure. So we're gonna call that one good. That one's a little. I'll eat. That one was a little easier to good. Next one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I made this. Yeah, I made this one. This one's such a good slime. What? Okay, so it's white glitter with like a whole bottle of glitter, like a whole little thing of like this size glitter, but like thinner, like really. And it's orange glitter, and so it turned out like peach, and it feels so good. I'm sorry if you hear the TV in there, but it's like so squishy and stuff. So, yeah. Put it back in. And yeah. So, that's it. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to be a part of the garden. And I post pretty much whenever I want to. But I'm going to keep talking until this video gets to 11 minutes. That's what I always do. Because sometimes I just feel like doing things when I get bored. So yeah. So I'm going to redo it. I have a purple one, a teal one. These two are for my cousins. This weird one that has a tint to it. This white one. This pink one. A yellow one, an orange one with a bunch of glitter, a peach one. This one, these two, same. Okay, guys, it's almost there. So yeah, fine. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, bye.